Hello students, in the last video I have discussed about the fundamental concept of NumPy. Now let's see what are the basic components of Python pandas. There are two things, one is series and the second is data frame. From this image you can visualize the series 1 is one-dimensional array storing the numbers, the heading is apples. Series 2 is for oranges and the numbers are given. If I combine this two and make it like this, these are the indexes and the first column is apples, second is oranges, so altogether it becomes data frame. Python data structure. Data structure is a way of storing and organizing data in a computer. In Python there are two types of data structure. One is series data structure and the second is data frame data structure. Let's see in detail first series data structure. Series data structure has two components. One is array of actual data and the second is data labels. Both components are one-dimensional array with the same length. Now we can see here this one is known as index which starts from 0. Second is data, here the heading is animals and the list of values are given. So this is called name and these are known as values. So there are three things for series. One is index, one is name and one is the values given for the series. Now question comes how to create series objects. The first way of creating empty series by using series function. For this purpose, first we'll import NumPy because you know very well the pandas operates on NumPy. Second will be import pandas as PD in short form and then we'll apply the function as object name equal to pandas.series. Let's see in spider ID. Let's try to create one series. Say O1 is equal to PD.series. S should be in uppercase letter and just press enter key. The series is created. If you'd like to see how it is created, just write here the object name is O1 and press enter key. Now here you can see the series is empty and dtype is by default float 64 bits. Second way of creating non-empty series object is object name equal to PD dot series. We have to provide two parameters. One is data and the other is index. Now the data which we are providing here can be of different types. It can be Python sequence, ND array, Python dictionary and scalar value. Now see the first example how to create series using Python sequence. So here the syntax is O1 is the object name equal to PD.series and here within a square bracket I am providing the list of values which you want to define. Now see line number 5, I am writing here O1 equal to PD.series and the list of values are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Just press enter key. The series is created. If you would like to see the content of this object, just write the object name O1. Now you can see here there are two columns. One is the index which starts from 0 and they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 elements are created and their values are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and the type is int64. Now I am trying to create another object. Let's see the values should be Chinab, Ganges and Jhelum. So let's press enter key. The object is created. To see the content type here object name, print object name and you can see here indexes again 0, 1, 2 and the values are Chinab, Ganges and Jhelum and the type is object because here I am providing a string. Series can also be created by using ND array. Now you can see the combination of NumPy and series. Here I am using a range function and creating the values from 5 to 25 in step 2 and once the list is defined, this can be passed as an argument to series to create a new object. Now here I am creating data 1 let's see here, np.arrange 5 comma 25 comma 2, and you press enter key here. The next command is say o1 is equal to pd.series, and within bracket data1 is your variable. So here press enter key, and to see how the list is created, just write print o1. Let's see. Now you can see here the first value is 5, 7, 9, 11 like this till 23, because 25 was the terminator, and this is the index. So two columns are created, one for index, the other is for values, and all these values can be accessed through index, that we'll discuss later on.